Watch where you're sweeping! You got snow all over me!
Excuse me, sir. Any work available? Of course, come on in. I have an offer for you. Senior kitchen manager at a 5-star hotel.
I'm coming home! I can't believe it! Almost there! Mom, Dad, I have great news! I did it! We can all go together!